Let me show you how to make a trailer using Seedance 2.5. So this is a sneak peek of the trailer. Watch till the end for the final result. So first you go to your browser and type xmk.com, which will be the AI platform that we will be using to create this video. So from here you'll be able to see the dashboard. So our main goal is to make the video using Seedance 2.5 feature. So we're just going to navigate there. So there's a green button there, you can go there directly. So once you're here, you'll be able to see the previous Seedance features and you can navigate through them. So I will be using the reference generation, which needs me to upload media, place in a prompt and put in the settings. So for me to upload it, I'll have to generate an image first. So let's go there. So to generate the image, I'm going to navigate to the AI image in the navigation bar and I'll choose GPT-2 image. This is where I'll generate my image using a prompt. So as you can see, I have gone to the dashboard and I have placed in my prompt. Now I will generate the image and I will adjust the settings accordingly. So once you adjust everything, you just click generate and it will automatically generate an image for you according to the settings and prompt. So all you need to do is place in your prompt in the text to image sector. Put your settings, adjust your settings. I put mine to 16:9 because it's a YouTube video, my resolution and my quality to the highest, and then I put in my prompt. So in the mood of superheroes, I was thinking of creating a superhero but in a tech industry, so I created a prompt according to that. After you press generate, all you had to do is wait for your image to generate and then you download it so that you can upload it in the Seedance 2.5. So once you go back to the Seedance 2.5 feature, this is where you're going to upload your image and place in your prompts. So because this is a film, we're not going to call it a prompt, we're going to call them shots. So I've uploaded my first shot and adjusted the settings accordingly, and my video has generated once I press generate. So I'm going to have 4 shots or 4 sets to add on to one film. So this is my second shot and the same process, it generated the video. I did the same for the third and the fourth as well. So if you like to change your image or enhance it, you can go back to GPT-2 or generate as many as you can for the same character and it will. So I just chose to use the same image just to demonstrate how it works. So once you do it, you can change, all I'm doing is changing the prompt, which are my shots, and the images are generating, as you can see. So you can either add or reduce, it's all up to you, honestly, but I just wanted to demonstrate how it is, and this particular trailer is just gonna have 4 shots. So as you can see, you can change as much as possible. Don't be limited even to the time duration. You can take it up to 30 seconds per generated video. This is the advantage of using Seedance 2.5, and don't forget to adjust your settings, and you can do as many as you would like to do. So don't forget, you can use either the reference generation or the text to video to generate these short films or shots that you will use to create a film. In a city drowning in neon and shadow, where rogue tech threatens from the skies, or one force is programmed to hit her. Target locked. System override initiated.